Remove the screw holding the lobby station enclosure shut. Connect the 120 VAC power cord to the power supply in the lobby station as follows. Connect the black wire, which is the hot wire, to the L terminal on the power supply. Connect the white wire, which is neutral, to the N terminal. Connect the green wire, which is the ground wire, to the ground terminal. Plug the supplied Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on the WUR-COM board. Depending on your installation, connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to a WUR-link or to another approved network device. The lobby station must have an active network connection for proper operation. Remove the battery from the package and place it in the battery compartment inside the enclosure. Connect the power supply cables to the battery terminals. Red to red, positive, and black to black, negative.